One of the joys of having your own private, virtuous art museum is you get questions on the web. And one came from Sebastian. He asked me if I had made any smaller versions of the Mini Halfwood Press from 2004. And yes, I did. And it's somewhere in this museum, in a box, inside a box. And I think this might be it. Nope. I'll have to keep digging. Oh, it's not there. Could it be this one? Nope. Oh, it's like a scavenger hunt. Where could it be? I call it the Micro Halfwood Press. One last chance might be here. Nope. Well, that means I have to turn to another box. This one I call the Richard Dana box. If you read my screenplay, Swipe, you know who Richard Dana is, or if you've read 2 Years Before the Mast. I hope I can find it in this box. My museum is a whole treasure house of mementos. I don't think I'm going to find it. Well, the search goes on. There's one more place to look, and that is my book. Because my family cataloged everything in the gallery, in the mini art gallery, into the catalog called my Artist Script catalog. It'll be somewhere in here. I'll recognize it when I see it. Aha. There it is. There's the tiny Micro Halfwood Press. It's in a box, and it says here that it's in the condo. I have to go to my condo storage room to find that. The Artist Script catalog has 2,350 pieces in it, and we keep them in both the mini art gallery and in our condo storage. So it's going to be in here somewhere. Yes, this is going to be it. I'm going to take this back to the mini art gallery and open it up. What this box is, it's a container for a book, a collection of all the people that bought Halfwood presses over the years, and it's a list goes back to 2004. Everybody that bought the Halfwood presses, and it's here where I decided to deposit the parts that were going to be the Micro Wee Woody Rembrandt press. It never got finished. I got a lot of the parts made for it, but never quite finished it. So it's a memento of the past. It could still happen. It has a 3-inch wide bed instead of the 6-inch wide. But in answer to Savas' question, yes, I did have a smaller version in mind. And we might be reminded that Martin Schneider in Germany came out with the 3D printed press, which also has a 3-inch wide breadth, but just between you and me, I think mine is more beautiful. Don't tell him I said that.